Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Inside Mathematics. And in this video, we are going to look into how to square any number ending with 5. All numbers that end with 5. And we are going to have a method that takes first digits and we're going to multiply by the next number and we add 25 at the end as our answer. So in this case, we are having 3 as our first digit. And we are going to multiply it by the next number, which is 4. Okay, so that is the next statement that's on our method. So 3 times 4, we get nothing but 12. After getting an answer, we are going to say 35 square is equals to 1225. We said we add 25 at the end. Same goes to this method. We are going to say 6 times the next number is 7, which is equals to, so 6 times 7 is nothing but 42. So 65 square is equals to 42 and we add 25 at the end. So 25. That's the answer. So as for you now, I want you to do this as an exercise and write the answer on the comment section below. So I'm going to give you, call it C, 85 square is equals to what? Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.